Hello everyone, I'm Karen and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a fascinating Chinese tradition, giving accessories to newborn babies. In our culture, it's common to give items like jade bangles, amber, silver, or gold jewelry. These gifts symbolize blessings and care from family and relatives, reflecting our love and care for the little ones. Jewelry made from silver, gold, or amber jadeite carries significant meanings. They represent calmness, tranquility, and health, qualities we all wish for our children. In today's video, I will guide you through making a braided gold jewelry for babies. This lovely bracelet is custom-made jewelry and it's a best-selling item locally. While I've previously shared a short video of it, I didn't have the opportunity to detail the production process. So today, let's dive in. Materials we need: 24-karat yellow gold accessories. This center bead is a double-sided lucky bag charm, meaning blessing and full of happiness. And then 2 spacer beads on the side, 1.2 mm red braided cord, and it's non-elastic. The braiding method of this bracelet is quite simple and involves using snake knots and macrame knots. These techniques create beautiful design and ensure durability, making it perfect for a baby's delicate wrist. Since it's a bracelet for babies, the cord should be about 60 inches long. Okay, begin by folding the cord in half. Now, thread the center bead and position it in the middle of the cord, like this. Okay, do you still remember how to braid the snake knot? 2 cords here, upper cord, lower cord. The lower cord goes around in a circle like this, and the upper cord passes through this circle from the front and pull both cord like this. Okay, we just finished the first one and then the second one. Then the third one. Three snake knots are done. And then this side, we cut here. Okay. Upper cord and lower cord. We also braid 3 snake knots here. So the center part is done. The next step, we need to thread 2 spacer beads on each side. And since the hole of the bead may be smaller, and we need to burn the cord first to make the needle. I think 1 is perfect. Let's try. Okay, and now we make 6 additional knots On each side, same, we make snake knot. Okay, the first one. So this side is done. Now we need to make this side. Six knots. Next, we will braid the sliding macrame knot. Cut a short piece of cord. The length will depend on how long you want to braid it. Fold it in half to create upper and lower cord like this. Now, get the 4 cords here in the right position. Now, place this little cord under the 4 main cords like this, and then the lower cord wraps around the 4 cords and goes through the loop. Now, pull both cords tight. Now remember to keep track of the cord with the needle knot on the left now, as it's where you will start the next braid. So now we start with the left cord. The left cord goes around the 4 cords like this. Use your finger to press it right here, and then the right cord goes through the back of the loop, and then pull both cords. So the next knot starts from where? Remember the little knot? Yes, from the right. And there you go. Okay, the next one starts from the left. Repeat that process for 5 or 6 knots. For finishing, leave a bit of excess cord and then cut like this and burn the cord. And press. Oops. Okay, since it's for a baby, we don't need to make large resize. I will leave 3 inches on each side, and now let's create 2 snake knots for the closure on each side. One and 2. Okay, cut and then burn, and be careful when you do that. Okay, let's make this side we do the same. And it's done. A very cute bracelet. The macrame and snake knots are very commonly used in jewelry making, and you can use them to create a variety of jewelry without spending a lot of time. I hope today's video has inspired and helped you all. Looking forward to see you next time. Bye bye.